Alright, welcome back, my friend. We're in part 2 of the long tail keyword research. Alright, starting off where we left off, I compiled everything into this folder here. Next thing we want to do is we want to open up a batch file and bring all of these together with the batch file. And don't worry, I'm gonna put this code in the research. In the resources. So need to worry about that. And we're gonna find our folder, teeth research in this case. And what I want to do, I can name this anything that I want. So I'm just gonna name it teeth research again. Here's the important part. I want to save this as a .bat. The save button. Alright. What that's going to do is that's going to save it as a bash file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, which is now a bash file, teeth, and you see up here what it did was it combined all these together into one. So I'm going to click on it, open it. Alright, cool. So first thing I'm going to do a little cleaning up of this. And I'll be right back. Alright, and I'm back. Now, the thing is, what I did was I did a little cleaning up. All you need is keyword and average monthly searches. And you don't need all that other stuff like the rows and stuff. It's easy to get rid of the rows. You just click on the top here, click delete, and it gets rid of the rows. So you don't need to add groups or anything like that. Just make sure you delete the rows that are not keyword and average monthly searches. These are only 2 rows you need in Excel. Okay, so moving on. What we want to do now that we have this is I want to, in fact, move this over. Control. And bring this over. You see, it slid it over. You control, you see this little, once you hit that little plus sign, you left click and you move it over. Very easy, very simple. Next thing you want to do is take this code, another piece of code that I'm going to be giving you, and it's going to be the number of words. Copy. Paste it here. Hold on here. Copy, paste. Alright, and what this is going to do is give us the number of words in each keyword. So I want this to go all the way down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this all the way down to the bottom. So once I do that, I'll come back and we'll go from there. Alright, I'm back. Next thing I want to do is, now that I've slid it all the way down here and I got the number of words in each keyword, I'm going to rename this to number of words. And next thing I want to do is I want to go to sort and filter. Filter. And as you can see here, we now have filters for each row. Now, here's where the long tail keyword strategy comes into play. Say for instance, I only want a keyword that is over 3 words long. So I'll take out the 1 and the 2 and I'll check everything else. So 3 words and above. Hit OK. It'll filter out everything that's less than 3 keywords. And say for instance, I want to, for this, I want the average monthly searches to be within a certain range. So I'll go back to sort and filter. I will go to custom sort. Actually, numbers and filters. I want to do, this will probably work better if I go to number filters between. Okay, we want our number to be is greater than or equal to, maybe let's say for instance I want over 300 searches, average monthly searches, but I want it to be under maybe 20,000 searches. So over 300 and less than 20,000. So I'll hit OK. It's going to filter that down, so I'm in between 300 and 20,000. So there you go. I now have long tail niche related keywords that I can use for getting, SEO or getting people to my website. If by making a YouTube video with these keywords in the video, when you do that, I can link it back to my website, which I've done plenty of times with every niche website that I have. Make a YouTube video for it, rank it on the first page of Google using this method that I told you about. Put the keywords in the description and in the title of the video, and link it back to my website by putting my website link in the description or in the annotation of a YouTube video. So yes, that's it in a nutshell for this method. I'd like to thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.